I love these hiking sandals from Teva. This is my newest pair. This model is the Hurricane Xlt2, but I've actually been using Teva hiking sandals for more than 8 years now. This is a lightweight sandal, but it's not too light. It actually has a substantial sole that is going to cushion your foot when you walk. The design is centered around these 3 straps. This one goes over your foot and it is adjustable. This one goes in front of your ankle. It is also adjustable. And then in the back here, this strap goes behind your ankle and it is also adjustable. In addition, it is also padded, so it's going to give you a very comfortable walk. And comfort really is the main selling point of this Teva sandal. Because you can adjust each of these 3 straps individually, you will be able to get a perfect fit, even if your feet are a little bit different in size like mine are. The Teva sandals will give you an excellent walking experience regardless of the surface. It could be asphalt, it could be grass, or it could be the hiking trail. One of the unexpected benefits that I discovered when I got my first pair of Teva sandals is that I love using them when I'm swimming. They're waterproof, they dry quickly, and I really like that extra protection when I'm swimming in an unfamiliar environment, a lake or a river, where I don't know exactly what the bottom looks like. If you're looking for a lightweight and extremely comfortable hiking sandal, definitely pick up a pair of Teva sandals. Learn more about these Teva sandals with the links in the description below the video. And for more great product reviews, click or tap the screen right here. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.